No
Huh.
very loud cry, normal cry, and without sound cry.
वो इतने सारे cries होते हैं. Very loud cry. No, we will wait our turn, honey. Raise your hand and wait. Loud cry. फिर क्या बोला? Sorry. See when somebody talks, no, I just forget.
Normal cry, ma'am. Normal cry.
Maya, it is Tejas's turn. Please,
Normal cry.
let's respect each other's time.
I'm helping. Normal cry and
Hmm.
no sound cry.
Normal cry, no sound cry, and then loud cry.
Yes.
इन तीनों में फर्क है क्या? मतलब each of the way that you cry, it means different, is it?
Yes. Loud cry is like do like in tantrum cry.
Oh, so you do that?
No.
No. Then how do you know about it?
I saw on one video.
Acha. Okay.
One
Alright.
day in copywriting or life skill, we have shown with some with you only what something we did. Like we should do like something. So in that there is tantrum, something we learned.
That we did last year. Throwing tantrums. Acha, you remember? That's lovely. Okay. So when you throw tantrums, you cried loudly, is it? Oh. Baapre baap.
And normal is like we cry every day sometimes.
Normal. I love your explanation. Normal cry is like how we cry every day. So you mean to say every day you don't scream and cry?
No.
Acha. So show me how you cry every day. That's it. That's it. I don't cry this. I don't call this crying. I'll call this so cutie puty. It is like, khatam. That's so sweet. And when you cry like this, what does your mama do?
Don't know.
You don't. How do you not know? Of course you will know. Think na.
I don't remember.
You don't look at mama. Look at me and answer.
No, my mother is making is in kitchen.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Don't
And then what is this without noise crying? वो क्या होता है?
Like we action like if you are someone whose friend hits you and you are means your not best friend, someone has hit you and he's facing to another friend and he is just I'm just crying like an action like this.
Actually, just like action. So you are not feeling bad and all. You're just doing like that.
Yes.
क्या explanation है Tejas? That's just too much, man. Super duper. I love all your explanation for different types of crying. Shall we ask Maya now? You are done. I'll move on to Maya.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. Oh God, I'm so sorry. Something dusty. Okay. So Maya, I am going to ask you, hi Varushka, what are the different types of crying that you can explain to me?
I can explain to you that loud cry that I keep doing at home.
You keep doing it. Okay.
Loud cry.
Show me how do you do that? Show me how do you do that?
I don't know how to cry. I need my mother to pinch me first, then only.
You need your mother to give you a pinch so you will cry that loudly? Oh. Okay, imagine that your mother is giving you a tight pinch. Now cry loudly. Let me see.
I'll just okay.
But then you're laughing. What is this?
This is how I cry.
You said it's a loud cry, but I can't hear any noise. When I said loud laughter, everybody was like, ha, 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 ha. Now everyone was laughing. Now when I'm saying loud cry, I'm feeling very shy.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now I'm gonna cry. Okay.
Hey, you know what? If I close my eyes, can you please do that noise again? Hey, you know what? It sounded like music.
That's amazing.
That sounded like music. How does that become crying? That sounded like.
I actually cried.
Okay, fine. That's really interesting crying. I'm sure the moment that starts in your house, we'll be putting on the music. Okay. Now tell me, what is the other type of cry that you know? Are there more types of cryings? Do you think there is?
One more. This was just normally.
This was normally. This music wala was normal.
Loud cry.
What is that?
Now next is normal cry. The normal cry is like this.
Wait, Raji, wait. We'll come to everyone. We'll listen to everybody's crying. Wait. We just finished stages as when you all were not in the class. Yes. And then what other types of cryings are there?
Next one is super loud one.
Oh, you have variations of loud only. Nothing that's like small noise.
Really angry when mother sometimes make me get mad. So when I'm mad, I get cry like this.
You know what? I have an idea to that. That was like Now I'll give you a suggestion to it. You should go like this. Police man will also come.
No. I was saying that when I get mad, sometimes mind gets irritating. I scream like,
oh, okay. All right, that's interesting. I'm going to come back to the emotions of crying in some time. Okay. Until then, I'm now going to go to Varush. I'll go to Rajvi now. Wait. Okay. And I currently only want to hear different types of crying that you all do. That's all I want to hear. Chalo, Rajvi, your turn. Tell me.
Whenever I had gone to mall with my mama, I've seen some small babies. They do like this. They want this also, and if they say one drawing, so they give a tantrum and just spoil to the. They just sleep on the what do you call floor and just do the tantrum.
They don't sleep on the floor. They lie down on the floor.
Yeah.
And then.
And they just do this. They just put their hands, legs like this only. Whatever it is.
No. I need you to express it. I can't understand how they do it. You have seen it. So explain it to me.
They do like they're lying on the fence and doing this like this.
Hey, that sounds very cute, yeah. That's sounding very cute. But then you're saying that they're too noisy and they're throwing a tantrum and they're crying. This, what you showed me, was very, very cute. This is what you saw?
Yeah, and this also there is one way that some do like this. They do not cry very noisily and not like that. They do like that. They do like this someone.
इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं सिसक सिसक के रोना, है ना? Okay, that's not very nicely. अच्छा तो nicely वाला crying क्या है? You said that's not very nicely done. So what is nicely वाला crying? ऐसा भी एक crying होता है?
When I was going to the park, when Mama was coming and behind us baby was coming by crying.
Okay, so what is nicely वाला crying? ऐसा वो वाला crying बताओ जरा.
And was doing something. It was just nicely one.
Acha, show me. You saw it. Please show it. No, all of us want to see it. Show it. No, how it was.
Means when I was coming, it
Huh.
was just stairs and Mama was coming and he was doing, Mama, it was doing here.
Acha. So you call this wala crying nicely crying?
Yes.
Acha. Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. Tejas gave me 3 variations. Maya gave me 3 levels of noise crying. Now there is one nice crying also. This is nice. This is nice. Now let's hear out Varushka. Shall I go to Varushka now? Raju, you have anything more to share? No? Okay, let's go to Varushka. Chalo Varushka, your turn. Tum batao, what all types of crying are there, do you think? Varushka, open your mic. Varushka, open your mic.
Yes. I wanted to say that I mostly do basic crying most of the time. Sometimes I cry soft crying, then I cry no noise crying, and then my sister does natak wala crying.
Oh, now we have 3 new types of crying. Basic crying, no noise, fine. Tejas also mentioned that. And then there's one natak wala crying. Arey, ये please मुझे करके बताओ ये सब कैसा crying होता है? Yeah, all people are talking about crying and everyone's laughing. I'm confused. Okay. Yes, but Varushka, tell me, ये soft basic वाला crying क्या होता है? Basic मतलब soft and basic. ये क्या crying होता है? बताओ जरा.
My sister, whenever she gets hurt, she doesn't cry loudly. She does.
Such a cute noise, like a billy.
Like that she does.
Okay, that is basic crying. That is soft crying. What is it?
Soft crying means you are not crying loudly, medium, or you are just crying softly.
How do you do that? Oh, there'll just be a facial expression, is it?
Yeah, so you cannot hear the noise which is going on. You can only see the expression.
Oh, so if I did not look at you, I wouldn't even know that you're crying. That kind of crying.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, soft crying हो गया, basic crying हो गया. फिर noise वाला crying तो तुमने बोल दिया था, that Tejas also mentioned. Then what is this नाटक वाला crying? वो क्या होता है? I'm sure everyone's interested to see that.
Natak wala crying means you are doing natak. So what my sister does is she pretends to cry and then she squeezes her eyes to get out tears.
Show me, how does that happen? Okay, that's cute. That also looked very cute to me. Okay, and then this is called natak wala crying, is it? Yeah, पीछे पीछे होके मत बात करो. I'm feeling very this thing. Stay. हाँ.
And there's water wala crying also.
नाटक वाला crying. What वाला crying?
Water crying.
Water. अच्छा. अब पानी मतलब ग्लास में लेके उसको लेके रोना.
Nah.
हाँ फिर?
What take water. This is also kind of like natak wala crying. What my sister does, she takes water and she puts it here, and then she starts to cry.
That's interesting. Your sister seems to be somebody who has to be on stage with me. I so want to do a drama with her on stage. She looks so interested in doing different types of expressions. She actually puts water droplets on her eyes to cry.
Yeah,
I think इसको मैं नाटक वाला crying बोल सकती हूँ. I can call this नाटक वाला crying. This is interesting. Any more antiques with your sister?
Singing crying. Crying.
Wait, Rajvi, Maya, 1 minute. Wait, Varushka's sister seems to be an interesting one. Yes. Singing wala crying kya hota hai?
I do it most of the time.
You know what I was actually going to ask you? When is it going to stop about your sister and we're going to talk about you? Okay, yes. Chalo. Singing wala crying tumhara batao humko.
Like how Maya was crying with singing, that is what I do.
So you actually keep your hands like this and go,
Yes.
Show me. फिर से I think Rajvi missed it. फिर से बताओ. पर ये तो गाना लग रहा है, ये तो रोना नहीं लग रहा.
Yeah, so that's singing, crying. While I cry, I also sing.
Oh, I thought while you sing, you cry.
No.
Hey, I'm confused. I just had like 2-3 types of crying. By now in this class, I've got 10 or 12, a dozen types of cryings. Oh. Now I'm learning from you guys.
If my sister hits me, I will never do a tantrum. Never will do a tantrum. Even if she hits me like this, I will just cry loudly.
Okay.
And then my friends will come to my house and say, all of my friends will come to my house and say, Arey, what is going on? Why is there so much noise?
Okay. Yes. Shall I move to Rajvi now? She wants to say something. Thanks, Varushka. I mean, I think you contributed to the maximum types of crying. Seriously, you contributed to the maximum types of crying. Interesting. Okay. Yes, Rajvi, tell me.
What happened? I have 2 types of crying. Like first is what I do with my big sister. Means with my big sister, what I do does whenever she's sitting here. So what I do, I will sit and I have a storage here like of water. So I just remove that and say to my grandmother that she had hit me.
झूठ बोले कौआ काटे, काले कौवे से डरियो. And then फिर grandma क्या करती है?
Then what happens, whenever she scold my sister, I told just like this only that she has hit me. And when I say to my grandmother and she scold to her, she really has hit me.
ये कितना हिटिंग चल रहा है यार. सब भाई बहनों के बीच में हिटिंग ही होता है क्या? Okay, and it's not hitted me, it's hit me. Hit जो होता है उसका past tense भी hit ही होता है. Okay.
So
बाप रे बाप.
Like how Varushka told, she cried and all our friends came and what is happening? They say, so what happened one day, means whenever I do fight with my friend, I do fight with her, she goes home and she has so many friends there. That's why I get very alone. So what happens? I sit, means whenever she says anything to me, I go home and just sit and cry. So
and how do you cry? I want to see the different types of crying. How do you cry? Yes, Maya, coming to you one minute.
I cry, everybody cries like, everyone cry like this. What I do,
all your friends are giving you thumbs up.
What happens? She comes and says sorry to me.
I'm telling you, you watch out for that kawa. That kawa is going to come and kato you. I'm telling you, really. Jhoot wale kawa kate. You watch out for the crows around. He's going to come. I'm telling you.
Yeah. And one is in my balcony also.
It will come inside. You just start that type of crying. It will come inside. You just watch. Okay, cool. This is interesting. Shall I move to Maya now? She has some type of something that she wants to share. Give me one moment. Yes, Maya, tell me.
One more thing I want to say that someone is saying I said one loud crowd, the singing crowd. Then I saw the super loud one. Then I also have one more.
Oh, you have varieties of crying. Ah, what is that?
I have two of them. So one is that.
Oh, as Maya keeps talking, that the degrees of crying seems to be increasing and changing.
Like
Yes,
a
yes,
DJ
yes.
one, like that only I have super loud.
DJ wala crying.
Oh, मैं अटक के बोलती थी.
Can I can't, but it's really loud.
Ah, okay.
Should I do it?
As long as you're not disturbing other people in your house, it's okay.
दादी.
Okay, nobody's here. My brother is there.
Yeah, bolo,
Okay.
bolo.
Okay. This is how I scream.
You only cry like this? And when was the last time you had to cry like this? Just now?
No, I know when.
Huh.
That long ago, my mother had pinched me very hard.
Okay, fine. Thank you. My God, that's some noise. That is some noise.
One also.
That's
Not a
1
bit,
minute.
a
1
big
minute.
one.
Okay. Now I'm going to go to Varushka. Okay, this is the last round of talking we will have. And then I'm going to speak about something else. Yes, Varushka.
I wanted to say that I don't know if my sister does those. But I'm like 30 to 35% that she does them, because in one day she will cry total 50 times.
बस ये तो बहुत कम है यार.
55-0.
हाँ, तो जब तक 50 के साथ एक और 0 नहीं ऐड करो ना, वो ड्रामेटिक होता ही नहीं है. 50 एंड बहुत ही नॉर्मल है.
And that is tantrums.
Okay.
Just
Yes.
500 is normal.
Yes, Rajvi. Yes, Tejas, I'm coming to you. Tejas, my
Yes,
boy, you've been
tantrums.
patiently listening to everyone. Yes, Rajvi.
And the light cry also there is.
Okay.
I have
Yes.
three varieties of crying.
Huh.
Its first name is that is something what we call if we go some outside to meet our relatives or anywhere. So so they talk and we get bored. So then we ask someone, we are feeling bored, and anyway, so they say like go sit, and then we cry. So so after that we does not do a tantrum, but after coming home we do a tantrum. So that is
क्यों
the
मुझे
variety.
लेके आए घर पे, क्यों मुझे वहां पे नहीं रहने दिया, मुझे वहां पे ज्यादा मजा आ रहा था, वैसा वाला.
Yes.
फिर
No,
मम्मी बोलती
वैसे-
होगी या पापा बोलते होंगे एक काम करो, तुम सूटकेस पैक कर लो, वहीं पे चले जाओ.
नहीं मतलब वैसे नहीं.
हाँ, फिर कैसे वाला?
ऐसे नहीं मतलब मतलब हमें वहां पे नहीं जाना है, फिर भी वही लेकर जाते हैं. बहुत बोरिंग प्लेस है.
अच्छा, वैसे that you don't want to go there, फिर वहां पे लेके गए हो. वैसे मुझे लगा तुमको जहां जाना है वहां पे लेके गए और फिर वापस आने पे तुम लोग ऐसा रोते हो. Okay, got it. Tejas, my boy, finally तुम्हारा टर्न है, बात करो.
That I want to say, if when I was here, sometimes sister also tells a lie. She sometimes cries also. she tells he hit me so I'm crying. She tells very light crying. That is called light crying.
Like
And,
crying. Ah.
And my cousin sister also does like 100 minute DJ song, DJ cry. She
Hey,
cries like
hey. At least that sounds
She
like
does
crying,
that
da.
for 500 seconds. 500 seconds.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask everybody one question. Okay. Now I'm going to ask everyone one question and I will go turn by turn. Don't have to raise your hand and keep waiting. मैं सबको बात करने का chance दूंगी. I will go turn by turn. My question is, why do we feel the need to cry? Rajvi, हमें रोना जरूरी क्यों लगता है?
Because nobody just look at us
Because nobody?
and ignore us.
No one's looking at you, they're ignoring you. So you mean to say you're crying just so you can get attention?
No.
Okay. So you want to cry only if someone's looking at you?
No, means cry because somebody just did with you, hate you, or scold you. So for that, if we lie, so we will just.
Okay.
Means if we
Okay.
are saying the truth, so the which he or her hate or scold us, they will feel sorry. But if we will say lie, they will not talk with us.
You never speak with anyone who lies because then you can't trust the person. No. How can you trust a person who lies? जो झूठ बोलता है उस पे हम विश्वास कैसे कर सकते हैं? So you should not speak to liars. That's correct. But why do you feel the need to cry? रोने की जरूरत क्या हो जाती है? हम बातचीत भी तो कर सकते हैं ना? Maya, this is not writing class. This is discussion class. Close your book, please. Close your book, please.
वो टॉक करता है तो फिर भी उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, उन्हें रोना ही होता है.
आप भी ऐसा करते हो?
नहीं, पर मैं जब छोटी थी ऐसा करती थी, पर अभी मैं सुनती हूँ, पर अभी तो मैं झगड़ा ही नहीं करती क्योंकि मैं अकेली रहती हूँ.
Oh dear, मतलब आप अकेले नहीं रहते and you would be staying with someone, फिर आप जरूर होते, फिर झगड़ा होता. हाँ.
मतलब मैं उसके हर काम सुन लेती हूँ, वरना वो मेरा ही टाइम वेस्ट करती है.
Hey, not fair, not fair. Okay, sweet, sweet, sweet. I'm going to go to Maya. Maya, can you tell me in 2 to 3 sentences, why do you feel the need to cry? रोना जरूरी क्यों हो जाता है?
I only get to cry. I need to cry because I get hurt. The feeling in me when I get hurt by somebody, somebody pinched me, somebody slapped me, somebody hit me. Like that only.
Do we feel hurt? Do we feel hurt in our feelings only when somebody hits or pushes or things like that? Do we not feel hurt when someone speaks harsh to us?
We feel. But I cried so that people can get attention that look, what have you done? You have hit me. You don't know why did you hit me? Why not? Look how bad I'm feeling.
To express how bad you're feeling, you can always speak. No, why do you have to cry? Okay, no worries. I like your answer. I'm going to go to Varushka. Varushka, you tell me, why do we cry? रोना जरूरी क्यों हो जाता है? Tejas,
My mother.
is this games class? Please listen to your friends' opinions as well. It will help you understand how they think. So listen and look at people when they are talking. Then you will not have to do other things. Maya, Adjust your camera, and I'm not going to remind you once again not to write. This is discussion class. Yes, Varushka.
My mother tells me every time every time I ask this question, she tells me to remove all of the bad water out, and it's okay to cry, but not like for a lot of time. And I mostly cry for when I look at onions and when I smell ginger.
When you look at onions, you will start crying. So if I got an onion in front of you, you'll start crying.
After 5 to 10 minutes.
Why?
I don't like them.
Okay. So why does it become necessary to cry? You can just leave that onion aside or look the other way, no?
Yeah, I don't. Sometimes when I get hurt, like in karate class, when we are fighting, we are playing a match. That time, most of the time, I get hurt here on my chin or on my stomach, right in the middle, and then I start to cry. But then you get a warning if you cry. So then I keep getting warnings, and then I get.
Okay.
And
Why
then
does
I
it
come
become
to start.
necessary to cry? रोना जरूरी क्यों हो जाता है?
Because when you get hurt, or when you don't get, like, everyone is ignoring you.
So you cry only to get attention, or you cry because of something else also?
Because of something else also.
Like?
Like, suppose if you get like really bad injury, like you have broken something like that, then you will have to cry. Because you cannot stop that. You cannot stop
So is it like what Maya said, that the feelings are hurt, that is why you cry? It's not because of the pain कि कुछ चोट लगा या कुछ, but it's because your feelings are hurt. That's more painful.
Getting your feelings hurt is also painful, but getting hurt, like breaking something, is more painful.
Okay.
Because you cannot stop it. It is your feelings. You cannot stop it.
Good. Lovely points. Yes, Tejas.
But
Your
I want
turn.
to say, most of the children, when they see onion, because they cry, means the spice go in our eyes, so when we cannot stop open our eyes, so we need to cry, like the water comes out.
Okay.
Eyes go.
Okay.
So
That's one thing. But my question is, रोना जरूरी क्यों हो जाता है?
And when someone, like, how I told you, you don't cry like someone hits you. It is like I told, no sound cry. That is same to one people also. Like your relative hits you, like something that you know or know. You don't know this. One day that happened with me, that my cousin brothers or sisters, someone means grandfather, so friend was there, he had hit me, like in Kannada I don't know that much numbers, so he was teaching me, means he was telling me, so he had hit, so I didn't cry like seeing everyone, I was crying in my eyes only.
Yes, Rajvi, you want to share something?
How do you ask why do we cry? Why it is necessary? So means if you are one place and Varushka is crying, telling someone anything, so you tell stop. But that place, if you are at the place at Varushka and Varushka is just telling you stop. So whenever we are just angry or we are crying, we don't remember this, what you told, what ma'am told, and then everything. We just remember.
It all just goes out of your brain's windows.
remember he or her did.
हाँ, and then it becomes necessary कि बस अब मुझे वो सारा इमोशन बाहर निकालना ही है और अब मुझे रोना ही है.
That is like how you told the feelings are more painful. So means we tell so much to anyone that we say sorry to him. Like what, how we'll feel. Only one word, like only one word for the many words he or her told.
Okay, nice. Yes, Varushka, बोलो.
Yes, I wanted to say that for another reason I cry is because one day when I had 2-3 times this has happened, when I get so much of homework that I had
When
for
you get
one question.
homework?
No, in my before school.
Oh, okay. Huh.
That time they used to give so much homework for one page. Sorry, for one question, it will take 2 pages to complete. That much
Okay.
homework they used to give.
So that's why you would cry?
No.
Huh.
Then I did not used to like that school. And then what happened is that when once I finished all of the homework of total 10 pages, and then once my mother came and said that this is wrong, write it all over again. Then I had to write it all over again, crying.
So उसमें रोने की क्या बात थी? बताओ, why did you feel like crying? That's what I want to understand.
My hand was paining, and then I told my mother 5 times that my hand is paining. I will take a 5-minute break. Still she said no. And then the second time when I wrote, I was crying and writing, so all of the tears drip on that. And then my mother told me to write it again.
Okay. So तुमको अंदर से कैसे लगा उस टाइम पे?
It was like my mother is just forcing me to write.
Okay. So I'm just going to make one small conclusion based on everything that you all have told me just now. Okay. Tejas, honey, please do not play with that ball in the class. Throw it far away from you. It should not be near the classroom. Please. Yeah, thanks. Based on whatever you all have discussed just now, I am going to just make one small conclusion that we all are allowed to cry. Nobody should be telling us, don't cry. बिंदास रो, जी भर के रो. क्यों? जी भर के हंस सकते हैं तो जी भर के रो क्यों नहीं सकते हैं? रोना गलत है क्या? Is it wrong to cry? No, it's not wrong to cry. It's another emotion. Just like you have emotions of laughter, anger, sadness, disappointment, raising eyebrows and making fun, no expression. Similarly, there is an emotion of sad feeling or pain. When that happens, we definitely want to cry. And whenever you want to cry, no, always let yourself cry. Never stop yourself. Okay. Maya, would I ask you for attention to sit properly? Thanks. So definitely let yourself cry. However, one next thing that you need to do is go and speak about your feeling to someone. The next thing that you need to do is go and speak about your feeling to someone and not just sit and cry alone. That's not what we want. Okay. So simple thing that we learn is when you are sad, when you are hurt physically or inside your heart, definitely cry. But after that, please go and take that first step to walk to someone and talk to them that you are feeling sad about something. You are Maya, Tejas. Either. Honeys, you are learning one important emotion. Let's respect it. Let's learn how to, in small, simple ways, deal with it. Please listen to me. When you're sad, definitely cry. Take a moment for yourself. Then whether you want to cry like this or cry like this or put drops and then cry or then make noise and cry, it's okay to cry. Please, one thing I will say is, now that you're slightly growing kids, no, please do not lie down on the floor and go, don't do that. Not necessary. You can still cry. Okay. But however you choose to express that emotion, kindly speak with someone immediately after that. Okay. Go to someone, whoever is around you, mostly to people who are close to you. Okay. Talk to them, express with them in sentences about how you felt, what went wrong, what's hurting you. Definitely talk about it. Yes, Varushka. This is the last thing we'll take for today, and then we'll go to Jyoti teacher's class. Yes, Varushka, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas, again your video is off. Why are you not around, Tejas? Yes, Varushka.
I wanted to say that my mother says crying is okay, but make sure once you cry, just after you're done crying, don't cry for 2-3 hours. Cry for a little while and then stop.
Okay.
Or else everyone will be irritated and they will not talk to you. Then again you will cry.
Ah, okay. Good point your mom has made. Nice one. Nice one. But see, she's also said, no, after you finish, speak with someone.
Yes.
Whoever is around you, most of the times your parents will be around you. Or if you are in some place, suppose you just went for a camp, okay, an overnight camp, and you just wanted to speak to your parents because you're feeling sad about something, you cried, something happened, please reach out to your parents or to someone wherever you will be. Maya, can you sit where I can see you? Wherever you will be, and express to them what happened. Okay, let that person be someone who you know, who you are close to. Okay, but speak about that sadness. Then you will realize that you are able to express yourself, and the person around you who cares for you will actually help you calm down as well, will help you get through that difficult time as well. Then no matter what that point is, we should not judge anyone when they are sad or crying. इस बात के लिए कोई रोता है क्या? ये हम कभी नहीं बोलेंगे. ओके, ये हम तो कभी नहीं बोलेंगे. हम सब जो यहाँ पे इस क्लासरूम में है, ये हम कभी नहीं कहेंगे इसके लिए भी कोई रोता है क्या. ऐसे हम नहीं कहेंगे. किसको कब किस वजह से सैड फीलिंग होता है, इसको हम जज नहीं करेंगे. पर अगर we are sad or someone around us is sad, we will be with them. That much we can tell to each other. Yeah, even if sometimes your parents are sad, or your grandparents are sad, or your uncle and aunt, or your cousins, your sisters, brothers are sad, you see them crying, don't leave them alone. Be around them. Okay, if they say go away, leave me alone in my room, respect that. Okay, leave the room for some time, leave them alone, but then go back every 5 minutes to check if they are okay. At that time, if they are angry with you, just ignore it. It's okay. Okay, they don't mean it. But when they are done, when they look they are settled, go sit next to them, give them a hug if you can, and tell them, I'm sorry you're feeling sad, but you know what, it's okay. Would you like to talk to me about it? I would like to hear you out. Yeah, simple sentences. Talk to me about it. I would like to hear you out. Then you can also be someone's help when they are crying. Okay? All right? Understood? Now we understand so many different types of crying is there. Now next class, when I say cry this type, you should be able to do that on a stage performance. Okay, go quickly, wash your eyes and come back. Jyoti teacher, thank you for your time. Go quickly, get your worksheets and get Wash your eyes and come back. Quick, 2 minutes. Maya, wash your eyes and come back. Varushka, Rajvi, go wash your eyes and come back. No need to touch the phone to put off the screen and all. Just go wash your eyes and come back.